How to remove apps from app library in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down and click on screen time and scroll down. Here you can see the option content and privacy restrictions. Click on it and here you can see the option iTunes and App Store purchases. Click on iTunes and App Store purchases and here you can see the option deleting apps. Here you can allow and don't allow deleting apps. So allow it deleting apps and go back to home screen and open an app library, and here you can press and hold to deleting apps. Press and hold. Here you can see the option delete app. Simply click on delete app and it will be confirmed to delete. And the same procedure, you want to delete app on your home screen, then simply press and hold on app and remove app, and here you can confirm to delete your app. So this is the way to remove app from app library in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.